got off work a little early today, so I wouldn't have anybody, well, I should say, now I won't have anybody snooping on what I'm doing. So I'm going to take a quick video of my dual exhaust setup and show you guys what it sounds like better, because the last video I took was only like, I think 20 seconds, and it wasn't very good. So I'll try to see what I can do here. I'm going to try to get pretty low. The pipes don't come all the way out yet, but you can see them right there and there. Don't worry about my exhaust hanging set up. I'll take it into the shop like in a week.